If you think your study methods aren't working, there's probably a reason why. Welcome to Advice on How to Be a Better Student, Part 9. Today I'm going to tell you what study methods give the most utility based on research. In a study by Donlosky et al., different learning techniques were ranked according to how effective they were based on the retention of information. These were the techniques which gave low utility, moderate utility, and high utility. Highlighting, rereading, summarizing, making mnemonic devices, and image reuse all actually give low utility in terms of learning. Meanwhile, elaborative interrogation, self-explanation, and interleaved practice provides moderate utility. But if you want to maximize how you study, the study practices that provide the most utility are actually practice testing and distributed practice. If you were used to rereading, highlighting, and summarizing as a means of studying, then you should probably change the way you study. Meanwhile, for study techniques that can give you moderate utility, you can do the following. For elaborative interrogation, you constantly have to generate explanations for why the facts, concepts, and lessons you learn are true, or you can engage in self-explanation. You must explain how the new lesson you have works and why it is related to the information you already know, like for example, explaining steps taken during problem solving. Or you can do a combination and practice interleaved practice, which is scheduling practices that mixes and tests your knowledge of different kinds of problems and lessons. But to actually maximize your study sessions, you should constantly quiz yourself. Answer mock exams and practice tests. Studies show that practice testing actually provides you the most utility in terms of the retention of information. This is why it is important to constantly test your knowledge to understand if you finally learn the lessons you actually need to learn. Like and follow for part 10.